Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Padmata. I'm the assistant to Dr. Bukhari, the international pain healer, who heals and cures all types of body pain in just 5 minutes with the words of Allah, that is Allah Akbar, and through the spiritual powers he inherited from his forefathers. Apart from Dr. being a pain healer, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and his research was based on human organs and techniques. And during the research, he developed a plant called fervent, and that fervent extract a leaf from it and make some syrups out of it. As you can see, this is part of the syrup. It's called the Embark powder, the Embark oral liquid. This Embark oral liquid is a liquid that is used to control diabetes. It is used to control high blood pressure, constipation, bile, and gastric. It is very effective, and it's very effective, and it's very good. Like if you have diabetes or you have a high blood pressure, you should make sure and get this medicine from us. We have this medicine in store, and it's very effective, and it has all multivitamins and minerals in it. Like if you have this medicine at home and you are a diabetes patient or a high blood patient, you have to make sure like to be regular on check-in. You have to make sure to be regular on check-in, and also like you have to be regular on check-in, and also if you don't have the testers at home, you have to make sure you visit any nearby hospital or any nearby clinic for checkups. And if you get the testers at home, make sure you check twice a day, like in the morning before taking the medicine, and also at the night before taking the medicine. So it's very effective and also very good. So if anybody needs the medicine, you can come to our clinic and get the medicine from us. So, and also the other important thing is that you should avoid foods that they ask you to stop eating, and also like you should stop the foods they ask you to stop eating, so that the medicine will work for you as you want it. And again, for constipation, like if you have constipation, you have to avoid some certain types of food also. Like you have to avoid any hard food, because it will harm you more. Like you have to go for light food, so that constipation will not be something that will be a burden to you. And again, you need to get this medicine. If you don't have the medicine, you need to get this medicine, Embark oral liquid. You need to get it from our clinic. We have it there. It is very effective, and also we control pile. It controls pile, as you can see. It's a very good medicine for pile. If you are able to control your constipation, you'll be able to control your pile, because pile also is something which is very discomfort. It's a sickness that is very discomfort. It's not something which someone used to be comfortable with it. So in order to control your pile, you need to control your constipation first, because sometimes constipation can lead to pile. And even though you got your pile from the genes, like you inherited, like you have to control the foods that you take, like the hard foods and so on. So it's a very good medicine for pile. It used to control everything, all the pain and everything. So if you don't get the medicine, please try by all means to come to our clinic to get this medicine from us. You see, to get the medicine from us, it's very good. It's very effective too. And again, it controls gastric. Like if you have gastric, it controls the gastric. It controls your lungs, your respiratory system. It controls everything in you. So if you are suffering from gastric, or you have gastric, you are a gastric patient, or any other like ulcer or stuff like that, you can come and buy this medicine. This medicine used to cure up to 7 or 8 sickness in one's body. So we need this medicine with us, even though we are not even though maybe you are not any of those mentioned, but this medicine, it's generally good for our body system. Even if you used to smoke, like you need the medicine, it's a very good one, as you can see. And it always it also maintain your proper body weight. It helps you to digest. It's a natural antibiotic. It's give you fresh body and mind, and it's even boost your stress and hypertension. Even boost your stress and hypertension. So it's a very good one. As you can see, it's a very good one. You see, so if anybody needs it, you can come to our clinic and get the medicine now. And also, we also have another medicine we call the impotence and infertile. It's for those who have difficulties in conceiving, like they have difficulties in conceiving. We have impotency and infertile. So if anybody needs the treatment, like you can come to our clinic and we do the treatment there. We let this go. We do the treatment at the clinic. If anybody have difficulties in giving birth or having a child, you can just come to our clinic. We do the treatment there and do the treatment. And again, we also have another medicine for men who cannot perform their marital duties normally, like they cannot satisfy their women on bed. So we also do the treatment. We also do the treatment, like the treatment we also do it here. So if anybody is interested in any of our treatment or any of our medicines, you can come to our clinic and get them. And again, we also have this. It's called the MP leaf. This MP leaf is a muscle bandage leaf which work by relaxing the muscles, to let more blood to enter at the affected area in order to heal the pain. So with this leaf, you are good to go if you have any joint pain, if you have any muscle pain, if you have arthritis, if you have strains, if you have back pain, ribs pain, spinal cord pain, any pain you have, like with this medicine, you are good to go. It used to heal within 14 hours. But when you apply the leaf on you, like within 20 minutes, like you feel the heat, you start feeling the heat, and so on. So it's a very good one, and it's very, very effective. If anybody needs it, you can come to our clinic and get the medicine. Like, we have so many successful stories towards the medicine, towards the leaf. We have people all the way from Europe. We have patients all the way from different countries. Like they have been coming to take this medication, and ever since they start taking this medication, they have seen a big improvement on their pains and so on. And we also have some Gambian-based, like patients who are Gambian-based, and they have gone to Europe for treatment, for medical treatment, and for medication and for medical treatment, but still their pains were not gone. But ever since they used their leaf, like everything was gone, and they were all surprised. Like it came out like sucked, because the day they come to our clinic, like the first day, any of our patients, like the first day they came, like they don't believe that this thing used to heal them. So it's a very effective one. As you can see, it's very effective, and it's very, very powerful too, and it has all multivitamins and minerals in it, as you can see. And again, we have a patient who was very sick. Like she was very sick. The day she was coming to our clinic, like she was crying. She was crying, and she cannot even sit. Like she cannot even sit. She cannot even lean back. She only lay down, and she was crying. Like she was mourning, something like that. Like, you know, you are in pain and you are not even crying, but she was crying, but she was moving to like shouting, like her body was paining and so on and so on. So, but according to the brother, they have been to so many hospitals. They have done so many scan and so many X-rays, and they have taken so many medicine, but still nothing. And when they go to hospital, like when they do the scanning and so on and the X-ray, they don't see anything in the system. Like they don't see any pain. They don't see anything, like they don't see anything. So that's why they decided to come to our clinic. So, but when they come to our clinic, like when they came to our clinic, she came with her brother. Like the woman was not that time she couldn't even talk because she was in pain. But when the doctor healed, like he prayed for her. And at the beginning, she prayed for her because she was crying. But when the doctor started praying for her, like she fainted. When she fainted, the doctor asked us to leave her for some minutes. She will she will conscious in within any minute. Like this is not an, according to the doctor, like it's not a normal sickness. It's not a sickness that if you go to hospital, they will see what's going on with you, or they will know what's wrong with you. She said it's something like it's a gene, it's connected to gene, something like that. So when he collapsed, like when he fainted, so within some minutes, like she was conscious again. And from there, like she said she was feeling some kind of pain and so on. So after then we took her to the ward. When we took her to the ward, the next ward, the other ward, then we applied the leaf on her. So after applying the leaf on her, then she slept again. She took a nap again from there. Like when she take a nap again, then we were asked to leave her to take the nap because she was very tired, and when she was coming and all the body pain and stuff. So but within 15 to 20 minutes, like I think when the heat started going in, then she opens her eyes and like she was chatting with the brother and so on. Then I meet her inside and I asked her, why how is your pain and how you feeling now? She said she is perfectly okay. Like the pain is it's going like a little by little. So I told her that okay, no problem, before you remove before the 14 hours, because the leaf used to stay up to 14 hours. So before the 14, like after removing the pain or before the 14 hours, like you will feel more better. So she said okay. Then they relaxed a bit and then they went. So but in the Ramadan, during the Ramadan, she came again. She came to buy this medicine like this. So she thought I did not recognize her, and she was like, do you recognize me? And then I said yes, I do. Then I asked her like how is your body and how is the pain, how you feeling now, hope you are better. Because the brother told me like if the medicine, if this leaf doesn't work on her, like she gonna take her to the provinces for like this local treatment, all this magic these black things, like this black incantation and so on. So but when I asked her how is the body and so on, she said she is very very fine. She is finally okay. Like she ever since, like she did not feel any pain, and she is okay. So I asked her again, why are you here? Like why did you come? Are you feeling any pain? She said no, I'm not feeling any pain, but I came to buy this syrup because on that day doctor gave her this syrup before any prayers, like before treatment. She gave her this thing to control everything inside her because everywhere was paining, you know. So she said she come to buy this, but that day they did not give her the full can. Doctor just gave her a tablespoon. So because of the medicine was very very I think she saw some improvement about the medicine. I don't know, the medicine was good to her, so that's why she came back to buy the medicine. And my other question was like okay, your brother said she's gonna take you to provinces for incantation and so on. She said oh yeah, that's my brother, we said that because I was not feeling any better by then, because I have spent a lot of money going to scan and going to hospital, and like they are not seeing anything. So that's why my brother suggests like if we came here and the medicine did not work on us, like he's gonna take me to provinces and see how it goes. Then he said but nevertheless we did not go because I was better, I was fully recovered. You don't see, now I'm better than before. Like, you know, I told her yes, because the day you were coming here, you were crying and your brother was like pampering you, like and she's not even a child, she's old enough, like she's old enough to be my mom. Because I even asked the brother is she your wife? She said no, she is not my wife, she is my sister. But alhamdulillah, she got her like she overcome the pain and she is okay now, alhamdulillah. If she is listening to me, she will know what I'm saying is truth. Like we have so many successful stories towards this leaf. If you have any pain, if you have any joint pain, any body pain, just come to our clinic, we got you covered with this medicine. And also if you have constipation or you have stomach pain, or anything like nerve pain, groin pains, like it's also good for it. Like within 15 to 20 minutes you will rush to the toilet when you have constipation, and you will not have any difficulties. Your stomach will not be hard anymore, and you will not have any difficulties. So it's a very good one, as you can see, it's a very good one. And again, we also have another one we call the M. orga hairspray. This M. orga hairspray is a spray that is used to control cirrhosis. It is used to control scalp build-up. It even stops the intense scalp aging. Like, it is very, very good. It is very effective. As you can see, it's very effective. So if you have any child, any girl child or any male child, any kid that used to have cirrhosis around the head, because it's mostly common in kids, like they used to have all this cirrhosis with pus, they used to have all this scalp build up, all this intense scalp aging and so on. It sometimes it don't even give them, like, it doesn't give them like healthy hair, like a neat hair or a clean hair. Like when you have scalp build up, like you don't always have a neat hair because it used to be dusty always. Like, but if you use this spray, it will overcome the scalp, and also it will stop the aging, and also the cirrhosis, everything will be gone. So, but it's not only for the head, it's not only for the hair, it is also for skin. Like if you it is also for skin. Like if you have this cirrhosis, like skin infection, skin disease, skin rash, allergic reaction, chicken pox, smallpox. If you have anything that is discomfort, like anything you see that is not comfortable with, you are not comfortable with on your skin, you can come and buy this medicine. We have it at our clinic here. It's available and it's very, very effective. As you can see, I will explain another successful story towards this medicine. And also, it's not only for the head and the hair. It is also an antifungal spray which fight fungi inside our body. Hence, we cannot see fungi with our naked eyes unless we take a microscope. So to be at the safer side, like, we need the spray. It is very good because it used to fight fungi. It used to fight virus, bacteria, because we cannot see them with our eyes. They are very tiny particles that we cannot see, and they can live around our body without our knowledge. So we need this spray. We need this spray around, alongside with us. Like, we need the spray. It's very, very good. Sorry, 1 minute. We need the spray with us, you know. So, and again, we are approaching the rainy season. Like, maybe we have 3 or 4 months to go to rainy season, 3 or 4 months to rainy season. So if anybody knows that, like, if anybody know that, like, your girl child or your male child, like your kid in general, used to have body cirrhosis all over the body, or used to have irritating skin because of or you have a sensitive skin, you need to buy this spray. It's it's very effective, and it's 100% natural. It's 100% organic. You can use it even on babies, like, because it doesn't have any chemical. You can use it on babies. You can use it on anyone, even adult babies, anyone, old age, anyone. Like, it doesn't have any chemical, so it's very, very effective, and they are all organics. And the other thing, like, the successful stories we have towards this medicine, like, I use this medicine because the doctor gave it to me for it gave it to me because I use it to someone. I use it for how to call it. I use it on someone, like the girl she have cirrhosis because of they plait the hair and it was too tight, so it developed small cirrhosis around the head with pus. Sometimes you see a big one with pus. So, but the instruction I got from the doctor was like, use this for 1 week and then you will see the results and then you come back. Then I was like, okay. So when I go home, then I use it on her. Like, I spray this, I use this spray on her. But to be honest, like, truth to be told, I used it for only 2 days and everything was dry. Everything was dry, hair was neat. And like, even the ones coming out, everything went down, everything went off, like everything was clear and so on. And even this thing, how to call it, like the ones that are already out with pus and with blood, everything dries off. So from there, I also gave it to someone, like I gave it to someone who used it, and like he used it. He is a man. and he is even older than me. The first one I used it on was a child, but the one I gave it to, was a man, and he is older than me. He did not even ask for the medicine. I just heard that he has a cirrhosis all over the body, like from the head to the toes. So I have no other option, because I wanted to keep the remaining, but I have no other option to give out the medicine, because that's humanity. If you heard someone is in need of something that you have already, like, you are not using at that moment, and you are using it for your future thing or for anything, like, give it away. You don't know what God will provide for you. So I had the man was having cirrhosis all over the body, and it disturbs him a lot. Like, he have spent so much on that skin. Like, he have gone under so many treatment and under so many medication. So I decided to give out the bottle free. And imagine, like, this bottle is 3,000, the full bottle is 3,000, but I give it to him free. Like, I dash it to him. So I give it to the guy, but the time I did not give it to him, like, directly. I give it to someone, so that girl gave it to her. So but when he used the medicine, like, when he started to use the medicine, I think 2 days or 3 days, then the girl said, okay, the medicine you gave it to me to give it to that boy. He said the medicine works perfectly, like, it's a very good medicine. He was even asking me where I got the medicine and so on. He wanted to buy more and so on, you see. So it's something low, and it's something which, 99% of our patients, like, we are getting positive words from them, like, we are getting positive things from them, like, all their stories towards our medicines are always positive, and like, they are showing gratitude and so on. So he was like, he is going to visit our clinic and to get the medicine, because the medicine was the medicine worked for him. So when I met with the guy, I was like, I need to ask this guy, like, how did the medicine work, even though that they have already told me that, like, he appreciate, like, the medicine work for him. I also asked him again, did you receive the spray, the cirrhosis spray? He said yes. He said in my language, like, boy, where did you get this medicine for? And I was like, I laughed, and I was like, we sell it at our clinic, but if you need it, you can just come and we will make a discount for you. Though the bottle is 3,000, we'll make a discount for you, though, and it's a good medicine. Then he said, okay, I will come there, but 3,000 is expensive. I told him that, but you have been spending a lot. You have already spent a lot, and you have been going to hospital, and like, when they give you medication, if that one is finished, you used to go back and again and buy another one. Like, you are continuously buying medicine, and now you see something which is natural, something which is organic, something which has no chemical, and it doesn't have any side effect. Like, it works for you perfectly. It works only 2 days. Like, 2 days, everything is peeling off and so on. You are telling me that it's expensive. Like, but she said, okay, no problem, I will come to your clinic and get the medicine. So, and the medicine worked for him, like, it works for him. Everything was clear, like, her skin now is smooth and everything. So we get so many successful stories towards our medicines, huh? And the other one too, like, the guy came to our office, like, he came to our clinic, and then that guy, he did not even bought the medicine. Like, we does it to him, because the day he came, like, he was like, I was not aware that, like, I did not come with the money, that amount and so on. Like, I did not come with that amount. So the doctor said, okay, no problem, let me just give it to you. You go and try, give it a try. When you see any changes, like, if you see anything, then you can come and buy the medicine. When we gave the boy the medicine, like, he went. The other day, the boy came with a flower, like a flower that he is planting, because I think he used to plant flower and so on. So he bring flowers for doctor to plant it, to replant it, and to use it to decorate like the outside corridor and so on, because he said the medicine worked for him. Like, the medicine worked for him, everything was dry. According to him also, like, the cirrhosis used to come every time. He was going on the medication and so on, but anytime he stopped taking medicine, like, anytime he stopped taking medication, like the thing used to come again. But this medicine worked for him, like the medicine worked for him, like, and he's very grateful. He don't have anything to pay the doctor, but to give him what he's doing by himself, like his job and his work. I don't know how to even explain it, because the plant, the flower he's planting, he's his profession. That's the profession he's doing. That's his occupation, like his work. So that's the only thing he can pay the doctor with. And again and again, we also have so many patients that have been bringing like gifts, like when the doctor treat them and they see something like they were expecting, like they bring things to doctor, like showing appreciation and so on. So which is very, very good, because we are selling medicine that is very, very important, and that is very, very effective. Like the effectiveness of this drug, it's making them to reward the doctor with their things they have, because they cannot pay the doctor for what he have done for them. Like they cannot pay him, even though they gave him money, but they cannot pay him. Like if someone gives you, it seems like you don't have life, and someone gave you life, you cannot pay that person. Just like a mother and a daughter, like if you gave birth to a child, no matter how much he spent on you, no matter how much he did to you, like to repay you, he or she can never repay you. Like nobody can repay their mother. So it's the same thing like a doctor with their patient. If a doctor heals you, like even though you gave her $1 million, like you cannot pay him for the good job he does, because not everyone can heal. Not everyone can heal you, and not everyone can give you a better life. You can go to some places, they will give you medication and you will be taking it and you will not see any changes. But once you meet with some certain types of people, like another people, like another person with, or another doctor, if you even go there one day, maybe you can be healed. So this doctor is someone who is an expert in healing pain. Number one, he also boasts 20 years experience in praying. Number two, and also he inherited a spiritual power from his forefathers, which was a gift from God too. So again, he used the words of God, that is allow God to heal the people. So with all those things, like when he prayed for you, like when he gave you something, because all these medicines were all developed and researched by him over 22 years. He's a researcher for over 22 years, been researching on these medicines and everything, so he's someone also who heals, like he heals pain without any doubt, without any so he's an expert in healing pain. And also he have medicines, he have drugs that heal people, like it heals people even though they have been under medication or under anything. The medicine heals you within, because it's a herb, it's a natural thing, and it's organic. As you can see, it's organic, and it have all multivitamins and minerals in it. And also like it's an antifungal termite. Like if you are contaminated with anything, like it kills everything. Like virus cause infection. Like when you have virus inside you and it cause infection, sometimes it cause cirrhosis and also and pass everything, anything like anything, skin disease or skin rash, like virus cause it. So if you are not contaminated with any virus, you will not have any skin infection. So it's a very good one. If anybody needs it, you can come to our clinic and get this medicine. So we also have another one. We call the MP leaf, the MP powder. Sorry, this MP powder, M orga powder. This M orga powder is a powder that is used for toothache. Like when you have toothache, all you need to do, there is no need for you to visit dentist. Please don't visit dentist. Don't remove your teeth. Don't seal your teeth. Especially when you are in your 20s or when you are in your 30s. So don't seal your teeth or to even remove it, because you cannot remove your teeth or to seal it at this early stage. Like it will affect you. Like when you are growing, you'll be out of teeth and so on. So with this medicine, like all you need to do, you just take a pinch of it and apply it to the affected area. Within 20 to 30 minutes, like you will be relieved, like you will not feel pain and so on. So it's a very good one. With this, there is no need for you to visit any dentist. With this thing, you are good to go. We got you covered with our medicines, with our natural leaves, our natural organic leaves, and they are all 100% natural, and it doesn't have any side effect. It doesn't have any chemical in them. And again, if you want to use this medicine as a tea, you can use it like it is stated on the pack. As you can see, you can use it as a tea. All you need to do is just take a mug, then you add a hot water to it, and then you add you put a hot water to it, and then you add the powder, then you filter it. After filtering it, take it on a regular interval, and also you have to time yourself. When I said a regular interval, it's timing yourself, and also you have to prescribe maybe if you can take it twice a day or 3 times a day, but with a regular interval, because it's a medicine. And according towards this medicine, we also have another successful story that is trending on the internet, like trending, because 360 used this thing. Like he used the powder, he applied the powder on the teeth, and the day he was coming here, I was at the clinic. He couldn't even talk, like he couldn't even do nothing because of the tooth pain, because of the toothache. Like the thing was paining. But after when the doctor gave her this medicine, like when he gave her the powder, he applied it and then within 30 minutes, like he take a nap. Then after the 30 minutes, like he was fully okay. The pain was gone, and the doctor prayed for him too. The pain was gone, and then that's how he came and advertised this medicine on his page. If you know what like, if you have come across it, you will know what I'm saying. And if you don't come across it, please go and search 360's page. You will see the medicine there. He was explained in Mandinka, I don't know, in our local language. So it's a very good medicine too. It's a very good one. As you can see, it's very effective. So if anybody needs it, you can just come to our clinic. We got you covered with this thing. There's no need for you to go to any dentist. There is no need for you to seal your teeth or to even remove your teeth. And again, we also have this medicine we call the dropout. This dropout is a pain relief dropout which heals within 20 to 30 minutes. It cures all types of body pain within 20 to 30 minutes. External body pain, like externally, it heals, both internal and external. Like if you have internal pain, if I have internal pain on maybe around my palms here, I will just apply it here at the back or here, and then massage it and like spread it like this. If I spread it, I will leave it to dry. There is no need for me to massage or to rub it. So this medicine, it used to heal all types of pain within 20 to 30 minutes. Even though that like we have, even though that we know the doctor is an expert in healing pain, but it used to heal pain. If you have headache, you can apply it at the affected site. Like your pain will be gone, and within 20 minutes your pain will be gone. So it's a very effective one, and it also has so many successful stories towards this medicine. As you can see, even if you are not around, like like you are not around, you cannot make it to our clinic, or you are far away from us and you need doctor's medicine or treatment, like pain healing treatment, you can buy this medicine. You can see, are you guys seeing? You can buy the dropout. It's called the dropout. And again, this one, we are not selling the pack, so that's why I'm not advising anyone, like if you are abroad, you need this. Like we don't sell the full pack. If anybody needs this leaf, you come to our clinic, we check your pain points and then apply it at the affected area. But for this, like we are selling the full pack. If anybody wants the pack, like you can come to our clinic. We are located at Senegambia, opposite EcoBank, just near Smell Lodge. Or you call us on this number 207-8568, 207-8568, 207-8568. If you call this number, you will get this dropout. Even though you are not around, like you are not in Gambia, but you will get the medicine as soon as they get it for you. And the other thing is that we have the eye leaf and the eye drop. We have the eye leaf and the eye drop. and it's a very effective one too. The eye drop and the eye leaf, it's for people who are blind, like people who have sight problem, like people who have watery eyes, like when also people who have Asian eyes. We treat them both. Like if you are blind, especially when you are blind, when you are coming to our clinic, you don't pay any consultation fee, and we give you 3% and we give you free treatment. Like we give you free treatment and also free consultation fee. So but we have the eye drop that we are selling at the clinic. It's for 300. The eye drop and the eye leaf, it's also very effective. And moreover, like we have positive, like so many positive answers towards the eye drop and the eye leaf. The first one, like we have a patient. I have a patient here whom I interviewed the last, I don't know, is it last month or, but I interviewed the guy. He's a man. He came with the mom. Like they came to the clinic. Like he is blind, completely blind, I guess. Yeah, he is blind, the both eyes. Like, but when they come to the clinic, like the doctor apply eye drop to his eyes, and again he dropped the leaf. He applied the leaf on the eye. So the next day, you know, the leaf used to stay there for 14 hours. So when they got home, like the following day, then the mother said, according to the mother, like the mother said she was there and she had a call from his son. Like the son was calling him, like to come and to confirm, like he was feeling something in her eyes, in his eyes. Sorry, he's a man. He was feeling something in his eyes, and which he was feeling something which he didn't experience for almost 5 years. Like he didn't feel anything for almost 5 years. Because I later asked the man, like everything, like I asked him step by step, when did the sickness start, was he born with the sickness, and whether he was going for the treatment for any medication and so on, and how he feel after taking those medication and the treatment and the operations. So he answered everyone. Like if anybody wants to watch the full interview, you can go to our YouTube. It is uploaded there. You can go to our YouTube. The blind, if you type the blind on Syed Baba Husseinis, you will see the guy there. So the guy was like he was not born with the blindness. Like he was there, I think when he had 5 years. I don't know when the blindness started, 5 years back, something like that. So but according to the mother too, like I was questioning both of them. According to the mother too, they have tried several hospitals. They have went up to Senegal for operation and so on, but nothing works for them. I think since the guy have 5 years, then he encountered like all these side problems and all this problem, this side problem and so on. So but they have gone to so many clinic, like they have gone to clinic, they have gone on the many medications, they have gone to operations and so on, but nothing works for them. So the guy said the mother said like they already gave up like on her. She already gave up like mom dafa sona, that's how he said. Like she is tired because he have tried all she could, but nothing is working for the son. So now she leave everything to the hands of God. Before seeing our flyer, like she did not even saw our flyer. According to her, a cousin of her directed her to our place, and when this guy was directing her and someone was sitting beside her, that person the guy also followed her. Like that's why we always said share the life whenever I'm on live. That's why I always said share the life, or tell a friend, or tell a friend to tell a friend, or even tell a family member if you know one, like if you know anyone who will get interest, or anyone who is sick and might get interest in any of our medical treatment. So just share, do the sharing and play your part in one's life. So that cousin also played a huge part in their role, because and the mother said after the sister told her about us, like he said, okay, let me just rush him to the clinic and see how it goes. But the next day when they went home, like the boy called him after removing the leaf on the eye. Like the son was like, Mom, I can feel something, like I can feel something in my eyes. Like I'm not seeing, he was not seeing, but he can feel the movement of the eyes, and the things was like it was not that clear. When he look at something, like he can feel like he's seen something, but it's not clear at all, because that's the first time he has done the eye lift and the eye drop. So that was a very big improvement. So that made them to come again to our clinic, like to continue the treatment for the eye treatment. Like it's a very good one. So it's something which we also appreciate, we also like, and we are also happy about, because people coming to our clinic and they are receiving things that they were expecting. Because any guy who went to hospital or a clinic, he or she always expect that he got cured from that particular thing, or any medicine he wanted to take, like the medicine cured him, like fully recovered him. And the other part is that like it's a free of charge. We did not charge him, like we were treating him free of charge, and they did not pay any consultation fee. The mother was so much happy, like she was very happy, and she was like, you know, if you go to the interview, you will see it on YouTube. Everything is posted there. And again, like that guy, he was very happy. That was the first day. So my advice to him is that like start coming for treatment. You have to start taking treatment, so that even though you will not see clearly, like maybe those with eyes that doesn't have problem, but you'll be able to see bit by bit, like you'll be able to feel something. It's better than you are not feeling anything. Because and then he said he has taken lots of medicine, he has been to operation and so on, but nothing works for him. Nothing works for him. But after taking our medicine, like everything was working for him. Like he was feeling something in the eye and so on, and which we are very proud and we are very happy about that, because we are selling a medicine that is 100% organic, that is 100% natural, and it doesn't have chemical. And the other one we got like our drop out, the drop out we are giving out, the drop out we are selling, it doesn't have any chemical. The reason why I bring that topic, like it doesn't have a chemical, it's a flower base, and also like all the people using it, like they are coming with the same word. Because there was a day we received a patient like who is an eye, like she is not even an eye patient, but because of the expired eye drops they gave her at the clinic, at the eye clinic, like it makes her to be an eye patient. So when the woman came to our clinic, like when she entered in the doctor's office, like she was crying and so on. Like I was like, why are you crying? What's wrong with your eyes? And did the doctor put the eye drop on your eye? She said yes, the doctor put an eye drop on her, but the doctor put an eye drop on her, but the reason she is crying is that like the eye clinic at Carnivine, like they wanted to damage her eyes, because they gave her a expired eye drop, which was expired, I don't know since when. So I said, oh really? So is that the cause of the eye, the redness of the eye and everything? She said yes, that's the cause of the expired dropout was the cause of this my eye problem, because I never got this eye problem before. Like I was seeing with two of my naked eyes, but ever since I used this dropout, this expired dropout, then I feel I now feel somehow, like I feel somehow towards my eyes and so on. So the doctor also explained that like they did not detect it earlier that the eye drop was expired. It was after 3 to 4 days using of the eye drop, then the mother was complaining, and they then checked the pack of the eye drop, and they see that the eye drop is an expired one. So the child also was very angry, because, and the mother was crying too. But I told her that like look, it will be okay, like you just have faith, everything will be fine, you will not lose your eyes. The woman know what she is crying, because an eye is something that when you lose it, you will never get any pair of a false eye. And there is nothing like false eye. When you lose the eye, you lose it completely, forever and ever. So that's why the woman was crying, like the eyes, what they did to her, like it's very bad. It's not only her, they have been given that expired eye drop to many people. Like they have given it to many people, and so many people have used it already, and it's damaging their eyes. Because I also saw someone on TikTok like emphasizing on the same eye drop, the expired one, like it's an expired one. So like That one also narrate that like they gave it to her mom, and the mom used it, I don't know, for 2 days, I don't know for what, but she complained earlier. She complained to the children like, whenever I use the eye drop, I used to feel somehow. Then they check the pack, they detect earlier, so it doesn't harm that woman the way she harmed the other one. Huh? So we have to be very mindful with all this chemical medicine and with all these synthetic things and so on. So we have to go back to our leaf, we have to go back to our natural things, our organic things, and there is no chemical in them, and they don't have any side effect. So if anybody needs the eye leaf or the eye drop, you can just come to our clinic. We got you covered with our flower based eye drop and also a leaf based eye leaf. So you can come to our clinic, and for the eye people, for the blind people, the treatment is free, and also there is no consultation fee for them. And again, we are giving free treatment and also free consultation fee to the children under 10 years below. If you have any children who is 10 years below, you can bring the person to our clinic. There is no consultation fee for her, and also there is a free treatment for her. So you can try by all means. Ngeen ñëw clinic bi. If you have any kid, if you have anybody, ni moom mooy dindi so also try alina na clinic oto free treatment or deal free, and also ita na right fenjola je. So ni bota je like we give free treatment to blind people. Konna fa ñame blind people, we give them free treatment, and also from there, like we sell an eye drop. We have an eye drop. The eye drop is not part of the free treatment to the blind people. The eye drop, yes, we do free on the eye drop when they are at the clinic, but when you want to go with the eye drop, like we sell it for 300. So if anybody needs the eye drop, just come. It's nothing, like there's nothing chemical, and it doesn't have any side effect. It will not harm you in any ways. Like it's a natural thing, and it's natural antibiotic and everything, and it's a flower base, and it's organic, 100% organic and 100% natural. So trial and by all means, ngeen ñëw suñ clinic bi su dee da ngeen need eye drop or anything like mooy loolu daal suñu garab yi ngeen ñëw foofu. So from there, like if you come to our clinic and you pay consultation fee once, like there is no need for you to pay again. If you wish, you can come over and over again. You will not pay anything, like it's free of charge. If you pay one-time consultation fee, the rest will be a free of charge for you. But if you need any medicine, like we are selling the medicine, like the medicines are not free of charge, especially this one. Like if you need it, because some people used to do treatment with us here, it's not a free of charge. So as you can see, if anybody come to our clinic and you pay consultation fee once, there is no need for you to pay again. If you wish, if you like, if you like, you can come 3 times a day or even 4 times a day. The doctor will attend to you without paying anything. So, and from there, we want to make room for everyone. Like we want to make room for everyone. We want to make room for everyone, to favor everyone. Anyone who wants like who is interested in doctor's treatment, like in anybody pain treatment, like the duas and so on, you can book an appointment with us online. If you book an appointment with us on any social media platform, like, but before you book any appointment with us, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you like our video, double tap the screen and like our video, then you can book an appointment with us. And then from booking an appointment with us, then we will accept your request after seeing the screenshot of the subscription you made. So we want to make room for everyone. If you subscribe, just screenshot it and send it to us, and then we will accept your appointment. And the other thing is that, like, if you want to come to the clinic without paying any consultation fee, and again to grant 10% discount on any medicine you want to buy, like you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You need to subscribe. You need to like our videos. You need to watch maybe even 20 to 30 minutes of our time. We take 20 to 30 minutes of your time, and then from there I will write down your name. If you come to the clinic, like you will not pay a dime, like you will not pay any consultation fee, and again, like, they will give you 10% discount on any medicine you want to buy. So with the marketing team also is the same thing. Like, you will meet with her, she will connect you to the router, and then you subscribe, then she will take your number. Anytime you come to our clinic, you will not pay any consultation fee, and again, we will give you 10% discount on any medicine you want to buy. So though it's not an easy walk outside there, especially in this heat, like in this summertime, because I think we are already in the summertime. Like, it used to be hot, like very hot, so it's not an easy work. Roaming, telling people to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we are pleading with everyone to cooperate with her to make the work easy for her, though it's not an easy work. Sometimes you get bullied, sometimes you get people sometimes people walk away from you, sometimes people even they will be very arrogant to you. So but we are pleading with everyone to make it easy with her, to cooperate with her, and also you cooperate with people and know how to talk to people in order for them to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then to grant them the free consultation fee, and again that 10% discount on any medicine they want to buy. So that's all we have for you guys. If you have if you have any question, you can ask. If you have anything, like if you want to book too, you can book. And also, like, if you want any medicine you want to buy, if you want to buy any medicine, you can come to our clinic and buy the medicine, and then you go. So you them know, like if anybody have question towards the doctor, towards the treatment he's doing, towards the medical treatment, you can just ask me a question. Come no more here. Like, doctor is an expert in healing pain, and he also was for 20 years in prayers, and he also got he inherited a spiritual power which was gifted, which was a natural gift from God. Because anybody more inherit, like anybody more more inherit a power from his forefathers. He's naturally gifted, like from God, because family bi daf day bari nit why sometimes am nañu dundi am bi daf day dem ci kenn, so koku wala harije bi anu fanan wala harije di anu fanan ale wala fanan harije kaje comme wala ba jaralo kala ni ko dul. So ñoo xamne dañ am anybody pain, please come to our clinic. We are located at Senegambia opposite Eco Bank, just near Smell Lodge. That's where we are located. Or you come to or you call us on this number 207-8568, 207-8568, 207-8568. That's our office line. So you all stay tuned. Thank you very much for your time. Till tomorrow, inshallah. Happy Workers' Day to everyone. Thank you very much.